Xiaomi is known for launching smartphones with great specs at competitive pricing, and the new Redmi Turbo 4 holds true to this. On paper, this model packs some impressive specs and features, and it finally made its debut in China. Xiaomi is kicking off the new year with a turbo phone, the Redmi Turbo 4. It's the first phone to launch with the recently announced MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, which Xiaomi customized and now calls Dimensity 8400 Ultra. Turbo 4 also matches the Redmi K80 by packing a 6550 mAh silicon carbon cell with 90 watts wired charging. The Chinese tech giant unveiled the Redmi Turbo 4 with a design that looks quite similar to the iPhone 16. It has a 2.5D frame with a glass body and plastic side frames. The back also has an iPhone 16-like camera module. On the front, you get a 6.67 inches LTPS OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 1920Hz PWM dimming, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness and in-display fingerprint scanner, and Android 15 OS-based HyperOS 2 custom skin. For photography, the rear packs a 50-megapixel main Sony Lit 6600 camera, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Meanwhile, the front houses a 20-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. This screen is protected via Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Another notable design aspect of this device is the impressive waterproof and dust-proof protection. It offers IP66, IP68, and IP69 rating. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 4 is the first to launch with the Dimensity 8400 Ultra SoC. This chip is based on the same architecture as MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 9400. The phone is expected to ship with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. A massive 6550 mAh battery pack powers this device, which supports 90-watt wired fast charging. Other notable features include 5G, Bluetooth 6, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, infrared sensor. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.